Today I'm going to talk about a really cool feature on Airbnb that will help you get days booked that are currently vacant. For instance, we have a day right here that's vacant. And with this day, we can go to custom promotions. So if you go into your calendar and you go to the bigger month calendar and not the one that shows the calendar for all of your listings, you can then click on this particular day and go to custom settings and then go to custom promotion. And these custom promotions are really cool because what they end up doing is sending out emails and they just promote your listing. And the really funny thing about it is you don't actually have to discount your price the way you would think. Originally, you have to do 20% to get all the benefits. So I always do 20+% to do the benefit, but it's based off of your average. So for this day, we have $89 for this night. And honestly, if I put a 20% discount on it, I end up with $97 for that night, which is more than it was originally going to be for, but it ends up getting blasted out and advertised. And I've had really good luck with getting nights booked that were going to be vacant using the custom promotion feature. You can do up to 3 custom promotions for each of your listings and keep those running at the same time. So it's a really nice feature to be able to kind of get your listing highlighted, send out in emails. The really big thing is you're just increasing the advertising for these days, and it's not even at a cost, since you can set the promotion price and normally it'll be higher than whatever your average price is because you already are getting close to that date and you've got a bunch of discounts on that date versus your regular average price. So this is definitely a really good feature to use, and this is the custom promotion feature. It can be really annoying to find because if you accidentally select a couple of days that aren't segmented together, then it won't let you do it. So they need to be nights that are side by side like this, so you can do custom promotion. But I definitely recommend checking that out. There is a detailed page explaining it. If you just look up Airbnb Custom Promotions, that's really all there is to it. It's a really nice feature. I'm really happy that they do that. It's really cool that the price actually still ends up coming out to being a good price since it's based off of your average night price. Like this one would be a couple dollars off, but in the case of this other one, it's actually going to be even more expensive if I give it a 20% discount and then don't go higher than that. So it's a really interesting feature. I just wanted to share that with you guys. If you guys haven't been using that, definitely check it out. If this helped you, if you wouldn't mind leaving a like and subscribe, that would really help the channel out. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.